Hey, what's happening, everybody? 2:04 p.m. 3/10/2017. Taking a look at this Bitcoin ETF rejection. SEC rejects ETF of Bitcoin. Bitcoin crashes. It didn't crash. Bitcoin just was trading below 1,000, and it will be resilient. It will come back. Not a doubt in my mind. The good thing about this is that you do not want Bitcoin in an ETF. You do not want Bitcoin traded in any type of fund, period, because it just dilutes the authenticity of the Bitcoin. So this is actually great news. I love it. Price fluctuations, what the price is doing, yeah, whatever. I'm sure that the cabal was in there also selling Bitcoins on the news also to make the drop more dramatic. But, you know, again, it tested 1,300 or close to 1,300, surpassed gold again. And it probably will continue to do so. But there's a lot of rattling in the gold market. There's a lot of rattling. In fact, there was an article, let's see, last week about some insiders saying that the LBMA is having a lot of difficulty fulfilling orders for bullion. You also saw the repatriation of German gold, which wasn't even German gold. Some other gold. I heard they got it from Venezuela, because Venezuela actually gave up some of its gold about, I don't know, a year ago to the U.S. government, banking exchange, Federal Reserve, whatever you want to call it. So that's probably where a majority of that came from. But it's just it's a game of musical chairs right now. You know, and periodically the music stops and you get to see and also is displayed what the real, game is. And I'm still not going to change my call that the cabal is extremely scared of Bitcoin. Gold markets are going to continue to be exposed, and there's going to be a lot of people asking a lot of questions. It's another factor to add to questions like what's going on with food stamp usage in the United States. What's going on with the prices of rentals in the United States? What's going on with the real unemployment rate in the United States? What's going on with the discrepancy between rich and poor in the United States? What's going on with Donald Trump and his factions fighting with other factions in the United States? What's going on with factions of the NSA having a gun battle in Manhattan with factions of the FBI? I think you understand the point that I'm trying to make. It's another thing to add to the plate of a multitude of things that are going on. But as far as this issue directly, I think it's great. SEC rejects ETF. Good, because Bitcoin doesn't need to be in an ETF. Bitcoin doesn't need to be thrown into pools. Bitcoin needs to be traded actively. Bitcoin for, another commodity or dollars or yen or yuan or whatever. It doesn't need to be derivatized, because that's what the ETF is going to do. It's going to derivatize. Anyhow, I just had to throw my 2 cents in. And also as a prediction, Bitcoin got slammed. Bitcoin's been slammed many times before, and what always happens with Bitcoin, it always comes back. It's going to surpass gold again. And it's a solid idea. Whenever you have a solid idea, no matter what they do, they can't stop it. Any idea that's time has come will evolve into something greater than, what it was, what it is in the past. And that's what Bitcoin is going to continue to do. So anyhow, I just want to throw my 2 cents in here. I don't know what anybody else is saying on the net, but as far as I'm concerned, this is great. This is fantastic. And people that were selling today, they're going to regret it, because Bitcoin will be back up over 1,300 bucks. It's just going to keep going. Oh, it's up to 1327. I'm just reading this article in front of me right now. 1327. Okay, good. Comes down hard to 978. Okay, buy like mad. Buy like hell. Heck, if I would have seen a 978, I would have been in there buying some more. No doubt about it. But the thing about Bitcoin, it's hard to get, because you got to watch it when it's actually actively trading. Anyhow, that's just my take on it. 2:09 p.m. 3/10/2017. See you guys.